Yo, what's up everybody? We are about to embark on a visual journey, a trip through the skies, a perspective you've never seen before. That's right, we're talking drones, baby. We're talking sweeping shots, epic reveals, and a whole new way to experience a city. And not just any city, we're talking about Manila, a city that pulsates with life, a city of contrasts, a city that's impossible to ignore. So buckle up, because we're about to take off and explore Manila like never before. Alright, first up, we're kicking things off with a classic Manila experience sunset at Manila Bay. This is one of those moments that you simply cannot miss when you're in the city. The way the sun dips into the horizon, casting a golden hue over everything, is nothing short of magical. It's a daily spectacle that draws both locals and tourists alike, all eager to witness nature's grand finale for the day. And let me tell you, seeing this from the ground is one thing, but from up here, it's a whole different ballgame. The aerial view offers a breathtaking perspective, allowing you to see the vast expanse of the bay and the cityscape that frames it. The colors seem even more vibrant from this vantage point, and you get a true sense of the scale and beauty of Manila Bay. The way the light dances on the water, the sky explodes with color: orange, pink, purple. It's like a painting come to life. Each sunset is unique with its own palette of colors and patterns. It's a moment of pure artistry, where nature becomes the painter and the sky its canvas. You can almost feel the warmth of the sun's last rays as they kiss the water, creating a shimmering pathway of light. You can feel the energy of the city buzzing below, people gathering along the baywalk, street vendors doing their thing, boats bobbing in the water. It's a lively scene, full of life and activity. Families, couples, and friends come together to share this special time of day. The air is filled with the sounds of laughter, conversation, and the occasional call of a street vendor selling local delicacies. It's a communal experience, a moment of connection in the midst of the city's hustle and bustle. It's a symphony of sights and sounds, and it's absolutely captivating. The combination of natural beauty and human activity creates a unique atmosphere that is both relaxing and invigorating. You can spend hours here, just soaking in the ambiance, watching the changing colors of the sky, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life by the bay. We're flying over the bay now, getting a panoramic view of the whole scene. From this height, you can see the intricate dance of light and shadow, the way the city and nature blend together in perfect harmony. It's a perspective that few get to experience, and it offers a deeper appreciation for the beauty of Manila Bay. You can see the skyscrapers of the city silhouetted against the setting sun. These towering structures, symbols of progress and modernity, stand in stark contrast to the natural beauty of the sunset. It's a powerful reminder of the coexistence of the urban and the natural, the man-made and the organic. The silhouettes of the buildings create a dramatic backdrop, adding to the visual spectacle of the sunset. It's a reminder of the hustle and bustle that defines Manila. But for now, everything feels peaceful, almost suspended in time. The city seems to pause, taking a collective breath as the day transitions to night. It's a moment of tranquility, a brief respite from the constant motion of urban life. The calm waters of the bay reflect the colors of the sky, creating a mirror image that doubles the beauty of the scene. And as the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the bay, you can't help but feel a sense of awe. It's a moment that captures the essence of Manila, a city that is constantly moving, yet finds time to pause and appreciate the simple beauty of a sunset. The lengthening shadows add a touch of mystery and depth to the scene, making it even more enchanting. It's a reminder of the simple beauty that exists in the world, even in the midst of a chaotic city. No matter how busy or hectic life gets, there are always moments of peace and beauty to be found. The sunset at Manila Bay is one of those moments, a daily reminder to slow down and appreciate the world around us. This is Manila Bay, a place where the day ends and the night begins, a place where the city comes alive. As the sky darkens and the stars begin to appear, the bay takes on a new character. The lights of the city start to twinkle, reflecting off the water and creating a magical nighttime landscape. It's a place of contrasts, where the natural and the urban coexist in perfect harmony, and where every sunset is a celebration of life. Okay, folks, we're leaving the bay behind. Manila Bay, with its stunning sunsets and bustling harbor, has been a witness to countless historical events. From the days of the Spanish galleons to the modern cargo ships, this bay has seen it all. But now, it's time to delve deeper into the heart of Manila. We're heading towards the heart of Old Manila Intramuros. This walled city, built by the Spanish in the late 16th century, stands as a testament to the colonial era. Its name, Intramuros, literally means within the walls, and it was the center of political, religious, and military power during the Spanish colonial period. Now this place is like stepping back in time. We're talking centuries-old churches, Spanish colonial architecture, cobblestone streets. It's a history buff's dream. Imagine walking these streets in the 1600s with horse-drawn carriages and people in colonial attire. The air would be filled with the sounds of church bells and the chatter of merchants. As we fly over the walls of Intramuros, you can see the layout of this historic walled city. These walls, which have stood for over 400 years, were built to protect the city from invaders. They enclose a rich tapestry of history, with each stone telling a story of battles fought and lives lived. It's like a maze down there, full of narrow streets and hidden courtyards. Each alleyway and corner has its own unique charm and story. You can almost hear the echoes of the past as you wander through these labyrinthine paths. You can almost imagine horse-drawn carriages rolling through these streets centuries ago. These carriages were the primary mode of transportation back then, and they added to the charm and character of the city. Today, you can still take a ride in a calesa, a traditional horse-drawn carriage, and experience a piece of history firsthand. We're getting a closer look at Fort Santiago now, one of the most important historical landmarks in the Philippines. This fortress, built by Spanish conquistador Miguel López de Legazpi, served as a defense stronghold against foreign invaders. It also played a significant role during World War II, witnessing both heroism and tragedy. This place has seen it all, from Spanish conquistadors to American soldiers. Fort Santiago has been a silent witness to the changing tides of history. From the Spanish colonial period to the American occupation and the Japanese invasion during World War II, each era has left its mark on this historic site. And check out San Agustin Church, a stunning example of Baroque architecture that survived earthquakes and wars. This church, the oldest stone church in the Philippines, has stood the test of time. Its intricate designs and resilient structure are a testament to the craftsmanship of the builders. The details on that facade are incredible. From the ornate carvings to the grand entrance, every inch of this church tells a story of faith and resilience. It's no wonder that San Agustin Church is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. But Intramuros isn't just about the past. Today, it's a vibrant community where history and modern life coexist. The old walls and buildings provide a unique backdrop to the daily lives of the people who live and work here. Look down there. You'll see kids playing basketball, vendors selling street food, life going on amidst these ancient walls. It's a beautiful blend of old and new, where the past meets the present in a harmonious dance. It's a reminder that even in a city as modern as Manila, the past is always present. The history of Intramuros is not just a series of events from long ago. It's a living, breathing part of the city's identity. As we continue our journey, let's carry with us the stories and lessons from this remarkable place. Hold on tight, everyone, because we're about to experience whiplash as we jump from the historical charm of Intramuros, a place where cobblestone streets and ancient walls tell stories of a bygone era. Intramuros, the walled city, is a living museum that takes you back to the Spanish colonial period. Here, horse-drawn carriages still clatter along the streets, and the echoes of the past are almost palpable. But just a short drive away, we find ourselves in a completely different world. Welcome to the modern energy of Bonifacio Global City, or BGC as the locals call it. This is Manila's financial district, a high-rise jungle that seems to rise out of nowhere. BGC is a testament to the rapid urban development and economic growth of the Philippines. It's a place where the future is being built, one skyscraper at a time. Glass and steel towers pierce the sky, a testament to the city's economic growth. These buildings house multinational corporations, luxury residences, and state-of-the-art facilities. It's a place where business deals are made and dreams are realized. The architecture here is a blend of modern design and innovative engineering, creating a skyline that's both impressive and inspiring. Down below, the streets are buzzing with activity. The hustle and bustle of city life are evident everywhere you look. People from all walks of life converge here, creating a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere. The energy is palpable, and there's a sense of purpose in the air. People are rushing to work, each with their own story and destination. The sidewalks are filled with professionals in business attire, students with backpacks, and tourists with cameras. It's a melting pot of cultures and backgrounds, all contributing to the unique character of BGC. Shoppers are browsing the high-end boutiques, looking for the latest fashion trends and luxury items. The shopping experience here is unparalleled, with a wide range of international brands and local designers. It's a shopper's paradise, where you can find everything from designer clothes to unique souvenirs, and cars are navigating the busy streets, a constant flow of vehicles that never seems to stop. The traffic can be intense, but it's all part of the city's rhythm. Public transportation options are also available, making it easy to get around and explore everything BGC has to offer. We're flying over the BGC Greenway now, a green oasis in the middle of all this concrete. This linear park provides a much-needed breath of fresh air and a place for residents and visitors to relax and unwind. It's a beautiful contrast to the urban landscape, with lush greenery, walking paths, and open spaces for recreation. It's a reminder that even in a city as busy as Manila, there's still space for nature. The integration of green spaces within the urban environment is a testament to the city's commitment to sustainability and quality of life. These areas provide a sanctuary for both people and wildlife, promoting a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. And check out that street art! BGC is known for its vibrant art scene, and you can see it everywhere you look, on walls, buildings, even staircases. The murals and installations add a splash of color and creativity to the cityscape, making every corner a visual delight. BGC is known for its vibrant art scene, and you can see it everywhere you look, on walls, buildings, even staircases. The art here is not just for decoration, it's a form of expression and a way to engage the community. Local and international artists contribute to this ever-evolving canvas, making BGC a hub for creativity and innovation. This is a city that never sleeps, a city that's constantly evolving, a city that's always on the move. From dawn till dusk and even through the night, Manila pulses with life. It's a place where tradition meets modernity, where history coexists with progress, and where every day brings new opportunities and experiences. Welcome to the heart of modern Manila. All right, we've seen the hustle and bustle of the city. Now let's take a break and head to Rizal Park, Manila's green lung. From up here, Rizal Park looks like a giant emerald, a welcome splash of color in the concrete jungle. People come here to escape the city noise, to relax under the trees, and to enjoy some fresh air. We're flying over the National Museum complex now, home to some of the most important art and cultural artifacts in the Philippines. It's a must-see for anyone visiting Manila. And down there, that's the Chinese Garden, a tranquil oasis with pagodas, bridges, and a beautiful pond. But Rizal Park is more than just a pretty face. It's a place where people from all walks of life come together, families picnicking on the grass, couples strolling hand in hand, joggers getting their daily exercise. It's a reminder that even in a city as crowded as Manila, there's still space for community and connection. As we reach the end of our journey, it's only fitting that we end with a bang. And what better way to do that than with a panoramic view of the Makati skyline? This is it, folks, the beating heart of Metro Manila. Skyscrapers reach for the clouds, a testament to the city's ambition and drive. Look at the way the light reflects off the glass and steel, creating a dazzling display of light and shadow. It's a sight that never gets old. Down there, millions of dreams are being chased, millions of stories are unfolding. It's a city of endless possibilities, a city that never sleeps, a city that's always on the move. As we soar above the skyline, taking it all in, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe. This is Manila, a city that will challenge you, inspire you, and leave you wanting more. So there you have it, folks, a bird's-eye view of Manila, a city that's full of surprises. From the historic streets of Intramuros to the modern skyscrapers of Makati, Manila is a city of contrasts, a city that's constantly evolving, a city that will stay with you long after you've left. If you enjoyed this aerial adventure, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing drone footage from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring.